Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Golf. This is the 1 litre TSI 115 brake horsepower SE Nav DSG, finished in a pure white that we have on sale here. The SE Nav, you get front and rear parking sensors. Absolutely stunning car this. Great punchy engine, cheap on insurance. Comes with the diamond cut black and silver alloy wheels. Remote central locking, electric heated folding door mirrors that fold in when you lock it. As we move to the back, let's say it's on a 18 plate. And then there's not a mark on the car, it has been really well looked after. On the interior you've got automatic headlights. The car has done 12,399 miles. It's got a multifunction flat bottom leather steering wheel that incorporates your adaptive cruise on the left hand side and your Bluetooth on the right. Features such as sat nav, DAB, app connect, all standard. Your DSG box and your electric handbrake as well. Really nice, comfortable driving position and clean and tidy seats. So if you're in the market for a Golf automatic and like what you see, then please make sure when you inquire you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, or my colleague Youssef or Glenn. We're the internet sales specialist team that can help you further. Many thanks.